everybody, welcome back. This is Crickett with another sticker haul. This one is from DEK Designs, and I will have my code right across the top here. Fabulous, fabulous stuff I have got to show you. And every time that she sends you anything, you get a little clip. And I say that every time, and I love this one. This one's adorable. This is perfect for your pot of gold for your Irish and your St. Patrick's Day kits. So, you know, that will be really cute. I can't wait to use that. All right, I got two different packages. So I'm going to go through this one first. And I couldn't help myself. I had to go ahead and open it before y'all because I was just so excited. I can't wait to show you guys this. Okay, so this was the freebie that I got. It has Washi Wednesday, and then a bear throwing a snowball, bear with money, sick day, Boo Bear with the balloons, and laundry day. I mean, you can use every single one of those. And then don't forget, you get this freebie too. And if you collect all three colors, then you can turn them in for a shop credit. So far, I've got these two colors. I'm working on the third, so be ready because I am going to be collecting those. I love them. Plus, I use them. They're always foiled. And I'm going to show you another one that I got. It's just the same color background, but there's the rose gold. And then there's the silver. Aren't they cute though? I mean, and then they give you silver and rose gold icons. How cute is that? And then here's the red one with the silver. I mean, precious. They are so giving. Okay, so I'm so excited to show you these. This very first one is called Make-A-Wish. It's a deluxe 6-sheet kit for the Erin Condren. And it is, I got light. You can pick the skin tone and you can pick your foil. And I picked gold. So this is called Make-A-Wish. And here are your full boxes. And there is your gold foil. Look how beautiful that is. Enjoy life, eat cake. Amen. And then your three like glitter quarter boxes. Here are your quarter boxes, bow boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, more bow boxes, and then your dots down here. There are your bow check boxes, full and half, and then your 3 bow check boxes, your 2 corner bow flags, and bows themselves. Bows, bows, and bows. I love them. And here is your day covers, which are done in gold, and also your bottom washi. Let's see if I can catch it in the right light. There you go. And then Boo Bear doing her thing, shopping, Target, money, books, or packages, eBay, and Amazon. Then here are your foiled to do, today, and littles. And then your food icons, asterisks, and your foiled glitter headers. I mean, oh, I love it. I love the foil. Here are your large flags, your icons, your sidebar, Boo drinking coffee, Boo not feeling well, and Boo with her planner. Then here are your half doilies, your working girl, your works, your meetings, appointments, and quarter boxes. Here's your weekend banner, and it has enjoy life, eat cake, and here are all your deco. Is that not cute? Look at that deco. It's precious. Very cute. All right, so that one was called Make-A-Wish. The second one is called Birthday Queen, and it's a 4-sheet special, and it's an Erin Condren, and I got rose gold. And here are your full boxes, and it says Birthday Queen, and cheers, and happy birthday, and the cake, and the roses, and then the quarter boxes. I get birthday kits because I like to do the week of a friend's birthday or a family member's birthday in these kits. So I love these kits. Here are your full boxes again, your quarter boxes, your day covers in the rose gold. Aren't they beautiful? Love it. They are gorgeous. And then your bottom washi done in the rose gold and your washi strips. Again, Boo doing her thing, which I love. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, bow boxes, dots, and habit trackers. And then your bow check boxes, full and half. Your 3 bow check flags, your upper bow flags, and then some more bows. And then that is the Birthday Queen. So both of those are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to try to keep them in the screen so you can see them. And then I want to show you what I ordered. This is the Girl Boss 2019 planner cover, and I got it for the Erin Condren, and I got them to put my name in there. How beautiful is this? I cannot tell you that how much I can't wait to get this. I also got the kit. I ordered a kit that matches this. So can't wait to show you. So excited. So here's the Crickett Furman. And then there's the inside of the front cover, the inside of the back cover, and then the back cover. How beautiful is that? Oh, let me get it right. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. With the gold flecks in there too. I'm catching my light. But look at that. Is that not beautiful? Love it. So cute. And I checked, oh, and I think I picked the blonde. I think you could pick the hair color that you wanted. So I am so psyched. There is skin tone that you can pick and hair color. So check that out. All right, I'm gonna put those aside for just a second, but not for long because I wanna re-show you. And then here is my second order. Ooh, look, I got a silver one too. So now I got the gold and the silver. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm telling you guys, they're generous. Generous, generous. They give you a lot. Okay, I got 2 reds, so I'm still going for that third color, guys. And I'm sure I'll get it, hopefully, because I can't stop ordering. I mean, totally can't. Again, the same freebie you get. And then this is actually from Plan2BeFab. But I am doing it because DEK, a lot of people don't realize DEK and Plan2BeFab are sister companies. DEK has a website.com and Plan2BeFab is on Etsy. So their sales don't coincide with each other. They have separate sales, but they are sister companies. So that's why you'll see DEK and Plan2BeFab at the top of everything. They might sell the same thing, but it might be at different times or on different websites. So just heads up on that. So I ordered the clean bathroom, which I think is so stinking cute. I love the sink with a mirror. Dust. Of course, you have to sleep in. Wash towels. And I kind of got that for my work too because I have to take my towels home. I'd like to wash them at home instead of at the salon. And then clean kitchen, which I need to do right now, but I'm talking with you. And then planning. That's one of my favorite things to do, but look how cute that is. Look at that planner. It's adorable. And the detail on it, it's amazing to me. I love it. They are so gifted. So gifted. All right, so because I ordered more than $15 on this one, I got this one for free, and it's called Workout Vibes. I love it. Actually, I can't wait to show you. All right, so this one's called Workout Vibes, and here's your full boxes, and I love that she has 2 upper boxes like that. I haven't planned like that before, but I can't wait to start. I always plan horizontal when I have 2 double boxes. So this is going to be interesting. I can't wait to do that. Sweat, smile, and repeat. And you are beautiful no matter what number you are. Then there's your quarter boxes, your bow boxes, your half boxes, your appointment, habit, bow, and then more dots. Again, your bow full boxes and half boxes. Your bow check flags and your bow corner flags with bows underneath. Your Monday through Sunday, and then your bottom washi, which I love. And then I love this washi strip that says 15 pounds. Here's Boo doing her thing. Love. Then here are your to-do, todays, and littles, along with your food trackers, your asterisks, and your glitter washi. Your full flags across the top, your icons, and then your sidebar. And then Boo, of course, drinking, not feeling good, and has her planner. So that is awesome. To get all of that, to pay for that, and then get that for free, that's pretty amazing. This last one is Fragrant Plans. It's a mini kit. It's 2 sheets, and it's for the Erin Condren. Happy Planner. You can use it for both. But this is the full boxes. Isn't that pretty? This is what I was talking about. I love the side-to-side boxes, but I'm really excited about the other one. And then here's some quarter boxes. And then the second page is our quarter boxes, half boxes, more quarter boxes, habit trackers, bow boxes, and dots. So that was your 2-page right there. And that was Fragrant Plans. Okay, guys, go check them out. My code will be there. Now on Plan2BeFab, there is no codes allowed, but they do have sales constantly. So you're going to want to check out my planner, Nina_Crickett, on Facebook and on Instagram, because if you do, then you will see when their sales are coming, because I post their sales every day, or what they have coming up, or how many, what's the freebie for the week. They always have something Wednesday and Sunday and Friday, depending on the company. So definitely go check out my planner, Nina_Crickett, so that you can find out when all of these things are on sale. All right, y'all, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when I do my sticker hauls and my Plan With Me's. All right, talk with you later. Bye-bye.